Good morning, children. How are you? We are going to start today the revision of chapter Agriculture in India. Already I have discussed this chapter with you. Today again the varieties of questions which may come from this chapter and the varieties of type of questions. So I will discuss few of them with you. So first of all, let us recollect the topic agriculture in India. Our country is basically an agricultural country. Maximum people are engaged in farming, and farming is the main occupation of our country. So many people are engaged with directly or indirectly with farming. And according to the season, as per season, the crops are divided into two groups. They are Kharif crops and Rabi crops. So mainly in our country, we can see two types of crops, that is Kharif crops and the Rabi crops. And we celebrate also the harvest festivals during the harvesting time. And the main huge changes in the agriculture field took place due to the Green Revolution, due to the use of HYV, that is high yielding variety of seeds and machinery equipments, and this increased the productivity many a times in our country. Due to this, our country is benefited also. Now, according to the Indian crops, we can divide the crops into three groups. The crops can be divided into three groups. They are cereals, pulses, and cash crops. Cereals, pulses, and cash crops. Cereals means rice, wheat, then millets, all jowar, bajra, they all comes under the heading cereals. Pulses means they are highly rich in proteins, and we the Indians always keep in our diet chart the pulses. Every Indian family we can see the pulses always they will have in their daily routine, like moong, arhar, grams, they all are pulses, varieties of pulses. Now, next one is cash crop. Cash crop is what? The cash crops which are ready for sale in the market. They can be sold in the market and they need a processing. After the processing, they are sold in the market, like tea, coffee, sugarcane, oil seeds, and then rubber. These are some of the cash crops found in our country. And you know that our country is the largest producer of tea and they are the second producer of fruits. They are ranking second in the position. Brazil is the first and our country is the second position, holding the second position. And tea is very common beverage in our country. The beverage taken by everyone, that is the drink, hot drink beside water, that is known as beverage. So they are taken by, that is the tea. And these are few topics what are related with the chapter. Now let us come to the question part. What type of questions may come? Fill in the blanks, true, false, match the following, then one word answer, name the following, question answer in one sentence, or answer in one word, or in elaborate. That means the big question answers. So you have to attempt all. So few I am going to today discuss. Suppose if I am telling three names, wheat, then barley, then maize. Among these, which is the Rabi crop? Can you tell me which is the Rabi crop? Yes, maize is the Rabi crop. Now, which fiber is known as the golden fiber? Which fiber is known as the golden fiber? Yes, jute is known as the golden fiber. Now, suppose the season begins in June, July, and it ends in November and December. That means which season? It is Kharif season or Rabi season? Of course, it is Kharif season. The Kharif season begins in June or July and it ends in November or December. Now, which state is known as the land of spices? Which state is known as land of spices? Kerala is the land of spices. Kerala basically known as land of spices. Mainly all types of spices are grown in Kerala. Now if I am asking what type of soil is required for cotton, what type of soil and what type of climate is required for the growth of cotton? So the first thing, that is black soil, and it needs a moderate rainfall and the humid warm temperature. The warm temperature, black soil and moderate rainfall is required for the growth of cotton. Now, in hill slopes, what type of cultivation is mainly done? Yes, it is tea. Tea is cultivated in hilly slopes like Nilgiri, then in Darjeeling. In these areas, the tea is grown in a large abundant amount. Now, what is the position held by Brazil in the world in fruit production? Now let's discuss what is the position of Brazil in the fruit production. Yes, Brazil holds the first position in the world in the production of fruits. Now, millets are grown in very poor quality of soil. They need a very poor quality of soil. Now, sugarcane, they are supplying us the sugar. We are getting sugar from sugarcane. How we are getting? Sugarcane are processed in the factories. They are sent to the factories and they are processed, and fine crystal sugars we are getting from sugarcane. So we are getting sugar from sugarcane. Now, what are cash crops? Now we discuss the crops which are ready to sell in the market. They are known as cash crops. Now, what are dry crops? What are dry crops? Millets. They are known as the dry crops, or the edible seeds which we eat. The seeds which we eat, they are all known as dry crops. So these are very common questions. Now suppose if I am asking, maize is a dash crop, Rabi or Kharif? Maize is a Rabi or Kharif crop? Maize is a Rabi crop. Maize is a Rabi crop. So these are some of the varieties of question, and match the following. So the easy process, what is the match to do the match the following? First, the questions which you know, you match it. Answer side by side, not drawing the lines or putting A, B, C, D. You directly write the answer side by side, and the leftover question there you choose the correct answer and then you write it seriously. Okay? And rest we will discuss again in our next video. Thank you, children.